this is Joan Pratt and I'm excited to show you my brand new listing at 8094 Saguaro Ridge Road in beautiful Parker, Colorado. This home sits atop 5 acres with amazing Pikes Peak and other mountain views, and it's like 5 minutes from Parker. So are you ready to take a look? This is a 2-story home. We have a new roof, new furnace, new air conditioner, new lots of things, and I'm excited to get you in here. So come on, let's go. This beautiful kitchen has easy access to the front porch and also to the beautiful back deck and the paver patio. But inside, it has some pretty cool features. One of the ones that I really like is this 5-burner gas cooktop here with the self-venting fan. It goes a little something like this. How cool is that? This beautiful kitchen also has double ovens, a dishwasher, a granite sink with its own water filtration system, and of course this French door refrigerator is included as well. I love this little spot upstairs. It's right off of the owner's suite, but it's right between the potential nursery or office, and it has this amazing window next to me and I can hear the water feature from it, and it's basically a little library or a loft area. Isn't it lovely? This newly renovated owner's bathroom is so beautiful, and it's a little quirky too, I have to say. So we have a big full-size bathtub, his and her sinks, and the double shower with a nice beautiful walk-in closet with built-ins. And we have luxury plank vinyl floors, which make it super easy to keep clean. When you come home, it's really just serenity. Out here, it's so beautiful. All these amazing evergreens. Right now is obviously the perfect time of the year with these sunflowers and beautiful flowers all over. Be sure to notice the fire pit area with the Adirondack chairs right next to the playground. And the water feature. The water feature is quite lovely. There's even a hot tub just down that walkway and through that arch. Well, what do you think? Could this be your next dream home? Do you have dreams of having a beautiful flat property where you can have all of your furry friends grazing about here? Kids and family can entertain and run and play, yet you still have your detached garage, amazing mountain views, and just super close proximity to Parker? Well, if this sounds like a home that could fit you, I would love to schedule your in-person personal showing with you. And if you know of someone else that this could be a good fit for, I would really appreciate it if you would share this to their profiles too. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so that you're the first to know about our brand new listings. Choose to make it a great day.